Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are a beginner and you want to earn money online using AI tools, but you don't know where to start, this video is for you. Today, I will show you a very simple step-by-step method that anyone can follow. No experience needed, no technical skills needed. Make sure to watch this video till the end because I will explain everything in the easiest way possible. First, let's understand the basic idea. Right now, many people in the USA and around the world are using AI tools to create videos, content, and even earn money online. You don't need to show your real face. You can use AI face videos. This means AI will generate a face, AI will speak for you, you just provide the script. Simple, right? First, let's understand the basic idea. Right now, many people in the USA and around the world are using AI tools to create videos, content, and even earn money online. You don't need to show your real face. You can use AI face videos. This means AI will generate a face, AI will speak for you, you just provide the script. Simple, right? Now let's talk about what you need. You only need 3 things: a mobile phone or laptop, internet connection, free AI tools. That's it. No investment needed in the beginning. Next step is script writing. Your script should be simple, clear, helpful. For example, you can make videos about making money online, AI tools, freelancing, motivation. Tip: always use easy English so more people can understand. Keep your sentences short. Now comes the main part, creating the AI video. You will paste your script into an AI video tool, choose an AI face, avatar, select voice, US English recommended, then click generate. In a few minutes, your video will be ready. It will look like a real person is talking, even though it's AI. After generating your video, do a little editing. You can add subtitles, add background music, add simple cuts. This will make your video more engaging. Keep it clean and simple. Don't over-edit. Now upload your video to platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram Reels. Use a good title and simple thumbnail. Post regularly, at least 1 video daily if possible. Consistency is the key to success. That's it! This is the easiest way to start using AI face videos as a beginner. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And comment below if you want more videos like this. See you in the next video!